Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tommy Trenton Jr. coming at you with these Detail Bookie tutorials. And today I am going to show you how to hook up your Square to your Detail Bookie account so that customers can make deposits and make payments. Alright, first things first. If you've already been using Detail Bookie and you have job tickets already created, then you can go ahead and skip this step. If connecting your Square account to Detail Bookie is the first thing you've done and you haven't created any job tickets yet in Detail Bookie, then you're going to want to follow this step. Go ahead and click on Customers over here on the left-hand side. Click on your name. Go to Book Job and just fill in the credentials. Doesn't matter what you put. I'm just going to go ahead and do this quickly here. And pick a package preset. Go down here and save estimate. Now we have a ticket created. Let's go ahead and move over to Setup. Just scroll down, go to Setup. Underneath Company, you'll see Square Payments. Go ahead and click that. Now I'm assuming that you already have a Square account set up and ready to go, and you want to connect it to your Detail Bookie account. And we can do that by clicking here. Go ahead and scroll down. You see here, there's already a set of written instructions on how to connect your Square account to Detail Bookie. We're going to go ahead and go through it with you on video. So go ahead to step 3 and click on this link right here. And what you're going to want to do is click the plus sign to create a new Square application. And type in Detail Bookie, just like that. And hit save. Next, you're going to want to open it. Next, you'll see Sandbox and Production. Just go ahead and switch it from Sandbox over to Production. And you're going to want to show this code right here, Production Access Token. Go ahead and highlight that. Hit Control-C to copy, or right-click and copy. Go back to Detail Bookie and paste that code in there. You can use Control-V, or you can just right-click and paste. Alright, next thing, go back to Square. Over here on the left-hand side, go down to Locations, and you'll see Location ID. Go ahead and highlight that. And you can hit Control-C to copy, or right-click and copy. Come back to your Detail Bookie, and Control-V, or right-click and paste that code right in there. And then hit Save. And up here you'll see if was successfully validated or not. It says configuration saved, credentials successfully validated by the Square Payments API. And there you have it. Your Square account is now connected to your Detail Bookie.